Okay, innovative door. The High Lift 5632 CHI with a jack shaft. You can see the plywood up. It's like -2 right now out here in innovative garage door land, but all things considered, we got that jack shaft in there, we stuffed it in the wall. Everything's tightened down, wired up, lock on. Smack. It's done. So we got it in there with less than, I have to say, 7 inches. So 3,800 for all your garage door needs. 630-271-9343, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Serving our community since 1988. Give us a call, your one-stop garage door shop.